Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a review of this Moroccan oil, root boost, as well as unboxing of what I purchased from Sephora yesterday. So over here, let's start with the review. The Moroccan oil, I bought this root boost spray. I think it's more like a mousse from Sephora, and I tried it for about 7 to 8 times. So this is a spray volume for maximizing your hair volume and making sure that your hair is not clumpy, etc. So what you do is you shake it and then you spray it. So first thing first, in terms of user friendliness, of course you remove the cap and then you start spraying, shaking and spraying them. However, one thing I find about this nozzle is it's pretty bad, because when you spray it, only transparent liquid comes out no matter how well I shake for the 7 to 8 occasions that I tried using this. So the spray is just transparent liquid, and then towards the second to maybe the third to fourth second, then you start to see a thin stream of white color mousse coming out. What I am expecting is that when you spray it, even for the very first second when the substance come out, it should be a thick white foam that looks like, bubbly hand wash. But it is not for this case, so to me, not very user friendly. I'm not sure if I should spray it here, but it's going to be messy, but this is the truth. 7 to 8 chances I've given to this really bad nozzle. So I'm not sure if I can just remove it and wash it, etc. But it this problem happens even on my first time using this or second time using this. It is totally brand new, because there is a seal sticker over here that when you take it out, you really make sure that it is brand new and is with the seal. So how can such nozzle problem happen? So that's really bad. So I'm not sure if I'm the only one having this problem. If you have this problem, please do let me know in the comment section below. There's quite a lot to go. 250 ml. I'm not sure how long I'm going to use this, but it's until 2023, so that's pretty good. 2023 can last me for about 3 years, so fine. So this is the review. In terms of how it looks on my hair, after I put the product on my hair, I use the hair dryer to spray to blow dry my hair. And when I blow dry my hair is not lumpy. It looks pretty good and easy to comb, but certain portions of the hair is still sort of like stick together, in which you have to use a little bit more force to comb through your hair. So that's a bit of a problem as well. But after you get those portions untangled, when the hair no longer stick together, the whole effect, it looks good. So I can easily style my hair, I can easily comb it thereafter, so I think it looks fine. And my hair strands are not stick together, they are all spread apart. So I guess that's the reason why they say that it gives you volume, because your hair strands are not together, you know. So after about 4 to 5 hours, when I observe my hair, they still look pretty good. You can even choose to use the hair straightener to straighten your hair if you need to straighten, or even curl your hair. So this product I think works pretty well with hair straightener and curler, and it works well with heat. So that's the good thing about it. What else? I think after 6 to 7 hours, my hair still does not clump up. So I think product wise, I think it's pretty good. You can consider buying this, except for the nozzle problem, if you can tolerate. But if I'm the only one facing this nozzle problem, do let me know, okay? So that's the review of this product. So right now, let's go ahead to see what I bought from Sephora yesterday. I didn't really buy much. So the first one is actually the aloe vera cleansing wipe, and this cleansing wipe, there are 25 pieces. So according to what the staff assistant recommended, she said that this one actually helps you to remove your face and eye makeup, which is pretty good. You can try removing your makeup with this, and thereafter you can use a cleansing oil to remove your makeup for the second time, followed by the third round, which is to use a normal facial cleanser to cleanse your face, to make sure that your whole face is thoroughly cleansed. So in terms of the ingredient, most of it is actually water, and then of course for people who cannot have alcohol or fragrance in their product, this is the one to avoid, because there is actually alcohol and fragrance, so you got to be careful on that. There you go. This is what I have. And this is the second product I bought, which is the smaller size 75 ml refreshing volumizing spray from Sephora themselves. So this flavor is coconut water. Dry shampoo is coconut water. And let's see the ingredient. Over here, there is fragrance as well. Fragrance and alcohol, and citric acid. So I have not tried this yet, but I'll probably try it soon. Hopefully this works, because in the description it says that it's really easy, and you just have to spray 20 centimeter away from the root of your hair to absorb natural sebum, and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can start brushing it. But just to let you know, there is some kind of powder in this spray, so you have to brush away the powder when you thoroughly brush your hair. I guess most dry shampoo, they have some kind of powder to absorb the oil, some kind of powder to, so-called prevent your hair from clumping together. So this is the second item I got, and then I use my Sephora points to exchange for this. It's 500 points to change for fresh, cleanse and hydrate skincare ritual. So over here you can actually see that there is a 20 ml soy face cleanser, which I read many reviews that this is good, and I think 3 years ago I tried this cleanser. It's pretty good, but I'm not sure, because it's very smooth after you use the water to wash this cleanser off. It gives me the feeling that my face is still not clean. I think maybe the problem is just myself, because when you wash it off, it's like a very smooth surface, so you got the feeling that the product is still on your face. So I had a hard time using this, because I kept washing like 3 to 4 times each occasion using this cleanser, and every time it gives me the feeling that my face is not clean enough. So yeah, so I think this product should work fine, but it's just psychologically I don't feel it's clean, but I believe it cleans the face properly. Second product we have in this box is actually a 7 ml Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. I read that this face cream is pretty good, so I'm pretty much excited to try this face cream. Here is how it looks like. So they have this little tissue to cushion the impact when you drop the box, so that your product does not get damaged. Okay, a very small bottle, 7 ml, with time release, hydro patches, moisturizes and nourishes your skin. The Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. Nice little box. Here it Not sure why my camera is always, blur when I have products here. There you go. Small one is very good for traveling, but of course now it's the COVID, you can't travel, so I guess you can use it when you travel to your parents' house. And over here we have the face cleanser. It's 20 ml and it gently cleanses your eyes and your face. So it must be really gentle, isn't it, if it says you can cleanse your eyes. So this is 500 Sephora points. And then another 500 Sephora points to change for the exact same thing. So I got 2 of these. With another 100 points, I changed for the volumizing texture spray. So this texture spray is meant for your hair. So I guess it is something like dry shampoo. So let's take a look at what it does. It's with UV protection. And if you're going to the beach, I think this is a really good product to bring along. It's mineral oil free and there is UV protection for your hair. See? Spray onto dry hair in sections. And also the roots for volume. So basically the function of this works pretty much like this. Also for volumizing purpose. That's 100 Sephora points. And this one is another 100 Sephora points. So what I changed for is actually the dry shampoo as well. It helps to deep clean. So this is a little different from this. And another thing is that it is scalp soothing. So I'm also quite excited to try this. Let's see, it says that we're supposed to spray it and wait for 30 seconds. And what it says is that you're supposed to massage in. Did you see the word massage in? Yeah, we're supposed to massage this material in. That's pretty much it. And it's made in the USA. And this product comes with UV protection as well. It's from the same company but serves different purpose. And in terms of the outlook of it, it is a little different. The cap at the right hand side is much shorter and the cap at the left hand side is a little taller. In terms of the volume, it is 35 ml for this product and 45 ml for this product. See, the bottle looks the same, but this holds 45 ml and that holds 35 ml. Interesting. So 100 Sephora points and another 100 Sephora points. And this is 500 points, 500 points. So all in all, I used about 1,200 Sephora points to change for these 4 products. And I paid for these 2 products only. Review, unboxing. So there you go guys. If you like my video, click on the like button. Don't forget to click on subscribe to my video for more unboxing videos to come. If you are first time on my channel, you can take a look under all my videos. I have plenty of unboxing of Louis Vuitton, unboxing of Hermes, unboxing of Chanel, etc. I pretty much like unboxing because it's a time where I can share with all of you what I buy, and sometimes I do give product review, and if I have the time I might review this or this. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.